Meet Mark, a seasoned IT professional and the proud father of Emily and John. He's a pioneer in the world of DevOps, the man who paved the way for his children's success in the digital realm. Mark's journey into the DevOps began with a challenge. He was tasked with managing complex IT operations, facing issues that seemed insurmountable. To tackle these challenges, Mark embarked on a journey to master the DevOps puzzle. Like a seasoned explorer, he merged into the intricacies of IT operations, seeking to streamline and optimize. Mark soon discovered the power of automation, a cornerstone of DevOps. It's like having a team of tireless assistants at your disposal. Automation made routine tasks a breeze, freezing up a valuable time for more critical work. Continuous integration, or CI, was the next piece of the puzzle. Mark learned to integrate code changes seamlessly, ensuring that the software development process was a well-oiled machine. And then came the continuous delivery, or the CD. Mark found a way to deploy code changes reliably, making sure that his team's hard work reached the end users swiftly and smoothly. Mark understood the power of microservices. It's like building with the Lego bricks, allowing for flexibility and scalability in software architecture. Monitoring and alerting were Mark's watchful guardians. Just as a lighthouse guides ships through the treacherous waters, these tools ensure that his systems were always afloat. Collaboration was key in Mark's DevOps journey. Like a conductor leading an orchestra, he orchestrated seamless collaborations between his development and operations teams. Mark didn't stop at tools and practices. He cultivated a DevOps culture within his organization. It was a mindset that embraced efficiency, automation, and collaboration. With Mark's guidance, DevOps transformed his organization. The benefits became evident as efficiency increased, deployments became smoother, and downtime decreased. Mark's success didn't stop at his workplace. His journey inspired his children, Emily and John, to embark on their own paths to success. The world of DevOps offers various roles, from DevOps engineers who focus on automation and integration to release managers who ensure smooth deployments. Mark, with his skills, had a wide array of choices. The benefits? Like a successful captain, Mark gained satisfaction from resolving difficult IT problems as well as a substantial salary. Thank you for watching, and remember, like Mark, DevOps can be your guiding star on your path to IT success. For more such content, like, share, and subscribe to the Knowledge Academy's YouTube channel. Thank you.